If you're a content creator, you're probably recommending products all the time. But what if you could have your very own, personalized Amazon storefront and actually earn a commission on every single sale you drive? Well, that's the power of the Amazon Influencer Program. And in the next few minutes, we're going to break down exactly how you can turn your influence into some serious income.
Okay, here's our game plan. We're going to start with what an Amazon storefront actually is. Then we'll figure out if you're a good candidate for the program. After that, we'll walk through the 4 essential steps to earning. I'll share some pro tips to really help you succeed, and then we'll hit the bottom line on what this all means for you. All right, first things first. Let's get a really clear picture of what an Amazon storefront is and why it's such a powerful tool for creators like you. I mean, this is the core question, isn't it? You've already done the hard work of building an audience that trusts you. Now let's talk about how to turn that trust into a real, legitimate revenue stream. So what is this thing exactly? The best way to think about the Amazon Influencer Program is like a VIP upgrade to their regular affiliate program. The key difference, and honestly this changes everything, is that you get your own personalized shoppable storefront. It's a place where you can feature all the products you genuinely use and love.
And this is where we see the big difference. The Standard Associates program, that just gives you individual tracking links for products. It's fine, it works, but the Influencer program, it gives you a whole branded destination, your very own storefront. This transforms basic affiliate marketing into a curated, immersive shopping experience that you control.
Okay, so that brings us to the next logical question. Is this program right for you? Let's break down who Amazon is really looking for. So when you apply, Amazon is really looking for 3 main signals. First, they want to see that you have an established presence on a major platform. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, the usual suspects. But even more important is an active audience. Are people actually liking, commenting, and sharing your stuff? And finally, it all boils down to authentic, high-quality content. They want partners who are creating real value. And listen, this right here is a huge misconception. You do not need millions of followers to get in on this. Amazon really prioritizes engagement over your follower count. A smaller, super engaged niche audience is often way more valuable than a massive, passive one. So if you're a micro-influencer with a loyal community, this program is absolutely for you. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here is your 4-step blueprint that's going to take you all the way from filling out the application to earning your very first commission.
The process is actually pretty straightforward. It all starts with the application. Once you're approved, you get to the fun part, building out your custom storefront. Then it's all about creating content to drive people there. And finally, you use Amazon's own data to see what's working and tweak your strategy. Let's dig a little deeper into the 2 most important steps, building and creating.
Building your storefront is really where your personality gets to shine. You'll organize products into these cool, thematic idea lists, things like my go-to kitchen gadgets or ultimate gaming setup. The key is to only add products you actually use, write helpful descriptions about why you love them, and just personalize the page to make it feel like you.
Okay, once your store is live, content becomes your engine. Now there are 2 main strategies here. Off-site is what you probably expect. You promote your storefront link everywhere, on all your social channels. But on-site, well, that's the secret weapon. You can upload shoppable videos and photos directly to the Amazon product pages themselves.
Let's just pause here for a second, because this is an absolute game changer. Imagine this, your review video of a product appearing on the actual Amazon product page for anyone who's shopping to see, not just your followers, any Amazon customer. This on-site placement is what makes the influencer program completely different from any other affiliate system out there. It's huge. And finally, you gotta treat this like a business. Amazon gives you a dashboard that shows you exactly what's selling and which of your videos or photos are performing the best. This isn't just guesswork. You use that data to see, hey, my audience loves my kitchen gadget videos, but not my tech reviews. And then you can double down on what works to grow your earnings.
So now you know the basics, but let's look at a few pro tips that will help you go from just being in the program to truly succeeding and maximizing your income.
Okay, this list is packed with gold, but let's focus on 2 that are just non-negotiable. First, solve problems. Don't just show off a product, show how it solves a real problem for your audience. And second, disclose your affiliation. This isn't just a legal thing from the FTC, it's about trust. A simple hashtag ad or a note that says commissions earned shows you're being transparent, and your audience will respect you for it.
We are repeating this for a reason, because it is the single most important rule of them all. Your audience's trust is your currency in this world. The second you start promoting something you don't actually believe in, you start to devalue that currency. You have to protect it at all costs.
So, after all that, what are the crucial things you need to remember? Let's wrap this all up and get to the bottom line.
So here it is. The bottom line is this program gives you a branded home on the biggest marketplace in the world. Your success comes from filling that home with authentic, helpful recommendations, and then using the full power of both on-site and off-site content to invite your audience in. If you get that right, you're not just earning a few commissions, you're actually monetizing the passion that built your community in the first place.
And that's really the final thought, isn't it? This isn't just about making money. It's about curating a collection that truly represents your taste and your expertise. So, I'll leave you with this. If you had your own virtual shop today, what would be the first thing you'd put on its shelves?